so nice to be part of this group. I'm very excited because I started doing some of the exercises, not all of them. And within, I would say, 8 days of doing it, I'm starting to like the micro character sheet. When I started the first time, it was like a complete blur. Now I was in shock. I almost cried because I go, oh no, cannot be that I'm starting to recognize the words. Like they're not sharp, they're not clear, but I can definitely read the paragraph.
Yay!
So, oh my goodness. And I haven't done all the exercises. I don't have the pin glasses yet, the pinhole glasses. So this for me, just this is like, because you know what it is? I had laser surgery because I was 10 years ago. I was myopic and I was so fed up with wearing contacts and glasses. So I said, you know what? I'm going to have laser surgery. If I would have known that there was this other alternative, I would have saved myself so much money. And just the fact that you mentioned that once you have laser surgery, you don't know what can come.
I mean, it doesn't happen always. Let's project and imagine that it won't happen for you.
Exactly.
You'll be fine. Yeah, let's hold that idea.
So
let's
what
hold that
happened
vision.
is that not too long after that, I started needing, I needed the glasses to read. I couldn't see the food in front of me. So I had surgery to get rid of glasses to see from far. But here I am all of a sudden having to use
glasses to see near.
These, and I've refused to get progressive. So I've been using readers. So my goal is that, I just need to get rid of these. I need to be able to see what's close and not only what's far. Also, what's happened is because, of course, the laser surgery, after a while, you don't see that, as perfect as when, the surgery was performed, and you start getting, again, like I couldn't see from far. And again, I still see, but not crisp.
Not as well.
But yeah. What I started doing is by gazing my view further and further away, as you suggested, I noticed that everything is starting to be crisper. Like when I see from far, it's crisper. I can see the details. So, and this is just like a week, 10 days of doing them. Sometimes if I'll try to remember, I try to not wear these as much as possible.
Good.
But sometimes I have no choice because or else I can't see what's written in front of me.
Yeah, okay.
But no, I'm so pleased. I mean, just these things. And, I see certain things, certain details, crisper, the details. So I'm very, very pleased.